Hey everyone, welcome to Cool Mom's Kitchen Ideas. So today I'm actually going to be going on a little shopping haul, and I'm actually going to be running in a Target right now. So I have lots to get, but this is not my only stop. So let's get started. Ooh, we're going to the grocery store. Huh? Alright, looks like I can always use some brisket, even though there is a meat shortage. So, yeah. Alright, I better get what I can and keep shopping. Okay, don't judge me, but these are our favorite too. Alright, let's keep going. Lots of junk. Oh yeah, I forgot. Got some steak patties. Gotta go see what they want. Ooh, what do we have here? These are our favorites. Yeah, we buy these so we don't have to buy the canister ones in the dry food area. They taste so much better, I think. I don't know how much better they are for you, but this is a must-have here at home. So I'm gonna grab a couple of those. Yeah. Let's get some apple juice too. Alright, let's see. Alright, this is one of the main reasons I came in here. I think this is... I haven't heard him saying that. Is it me or is that a focus? Yeah, well, no. Looking for the nude kiss one. Sorry, boring moment. Okay. Looks like this one is sparkling rose. Huh. Yeah, I think I'll get that one. Alright, well, let me keep shopping. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try this. I saw a video of a girl doing this. I don't know, what do y'all think? This one says Neutrogena Glow Wet and Skin Moisturizer. But they have this one right here. I don't know if I need that or not yet. Alright, well, let me know what y'all think. Okay, so I'm in Target. These are $1. These are the fun little Martha Stewart. Honey, did you just say Martha Stewart? $1 area. So I just got an idea of DIY to do with this wood. So yeah, so there is good things in Target that are not so expensive. Alright, well I'm almost done here. Alright, I got a bunch of stuff. So yeah, these look really cool. Sorry, one hand. Alright, well, we got a buggy full of stuff. Alright, more stuff than we need. And yeah. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so I forgot to tell y'all, I went to a Dollar Tree also earlier in the day, and these are just some of the things I pick up that are great for DIY. So I just wanted to show y'all this. I found this stencil wheel on the back. They have different little ideas on there, as you can see. This was only $1, and of course buckets. These are so fun to paint and, you know, make fun things out of it. Put like little flowers in there. And I always have this on hand because I use a lot of this ribbon. I'm sure y'all seen some of my videos. I was really surprised that they had these in there, the little wreath ones for the crosses, because there's another Dollar Tree I go to and they usually don't have those. They just usually have the round ones. And then of course, you know, they're getting ready for the holiday. They have all these cute little towels in there. They're great for like gnomes and little flags you want to make, and you always need paintbrushes. These were only $1. And of course ping pong balls, the little table ball. I use those for the gnomes, and I think I'm gonna do a gnome. So they had a little 5-pack hats on there in the holiday thing, so that looks like an idea. That and that and those. And I did get some mops too, which So yeah, and then I got some of these because I think I might, yeah, I might do some cute little door hooks. This would be, oh gosh, I got ideas already. I think this would be great to do Mother's Day gift or like a wedding gift. Just paint over that thing and use this stencil thing right here because this one's like for weddings and stuff, the rings. That's a great idea. And I got some goggles. I really got some goggles because I thought about making a fun little goggles to go on the gnome, or just, yeah, I don't know. I always just keep it just in case I need it for something. And then, of course, more ribbon. This is fun. I never seen this ribbon in there. This one was a little different, so I got it. I only got one, but at least I kind of know that Dollar Tree has it. And then, of course, I see some of the other girls with these, and so I might try this. Make these little covers for the stove. Maybe I'll paint it and put the little ping pong balls on there and make a cute little tray. So, yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul. And besides, the only thing I didn't show y'all was the mops I got. But that's pretty much it. So, yeah, anyways, thank you again for watching. I hope you like my haul of shopping. I don't know if it was entertaining enough, but I always go to stores, so I'd probably do another video like this. And so, yeah, I will see y'all next time. Have a great day. Subscribe, share, and, see you next time.